The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 monogram series marks a significant evolution in the automotive world, blending unparalleled luxury with high-performance engineering. This two-seater roadster is not just a car, it's a statement of opulence, precision, and exclusivity. Drawing inspiration from the esteemed Mercedes-Maybach lineage, the SL 680 monogram series redefines what it means to experience open-air driving. Under the hood, the SL 680 monogram series houses a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, delivering an impressive 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with Mercedes' 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission and the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring seamless power delivery and exceptional handling. Despite its robust performance, the SL 680 maintains a serene cabin environment, thanks to extensive sound insulation, a refined exhaust system, and a retuned suspension that prioritizes comfort over raw sportiness. The exterior design of the SL 680 monogram series is a testament to Maybach's commitment to elegance and exclusivity. Available in two distinctive color schemes, red ambience and white ambience, the vehicle features a black soft top adorned with a subtle anthracite pattern of Maybach logos. For those seeking an even more personalized touch, this logo pattern can also be applied to the hood. Additional design elements include rose gold accents on the headlights, chrome-finished windshield frame, and exclusive 21-inch Maybach forged wheels, available in both 5-hole monoblock and multi-spoke designs. Inside, the cabin exudes luxury, with every surface draped in manufactured crystal white exclusive Napa leather. The seats, door panels, and center console are meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled tactile experience. The interior also boasts Maybach-specific digital animations on the driver display and multimedia center, enhancing the bespoke digital experience. Comfort features include heated and ventilated seats with massage functions, dual-zone automatic climate control, and Mercedes' air scarf system, which blows warm air at your neck for top-down driving in cooler weather. The SL 680 monogram series is equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure both convenience and safety. The MBUX infotainment system offers AI-powered voice control, seamlessly integrating with the vehicle's advanced features. The system includes navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options, all accessible through a user-friendly interface. Safety is paramount, with the SL 680 featuring a suite of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. In terms of performance, the SL 680 monogram series is engineered to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. The 0 to 60 mph time is estimated at around 4.0 seconds, thanks to the powerful V8 engine and advanced drivetrain. The vehicle's top speed is